Let's take you to the Senzo Meyiwa trial, which has been postponed up until tomorrow. The new witness that was expected to take the stand, not available to appear in court today. Let's get the latest from our reporter, Linda Mnisi, who is outside court. Linda, good morning to you. So the court adjourning prematurely owing to the unavailability of that witness coming from an undisclosed location. The understanding is that the sister, one of Senzo Meyiwa's sisters, spoke after the court proceedings. What did she have to say?
Well, you'll remember that this was expected to be a big week in this particular trial, given the fact that the state had already indicated that it's moving to speak to people who were inside the house at the time of Senzo Meyiwa's shooting. So I suppose then that prompted, that appearance from Nomalanga Meyiwa, who is the sister of Senzo Meyiwa, to come into court to hear exactly, because many of the family members have been saying they want to hear from those particular people around what exactly happened. But we were told that, this witness who was inside the house was meant to be flown into Gauteng, into Joburg, to come and testify here in court, but could not be available. And then the state made alternatives in trying to bring a neighbor who would come. You'll remember there are also statements that have been deposed by neighbors of the Kumalo home in Vosloorus. That one was supposed to then come and replace that witness and take to the stand. But according to the state advocate, Baloi, that is, he says that this morning he received a message informing him that that witness would no longer be available, and asks that his or her testimony be rescheduled. Now, we had an opportunity to speak to the sister of Senzo Meyiwa, who said that she was looking forward really to hearing from these witnesses, particularly the friends of Senzo Meyiwa, because they were in the house when he was shot. I asked her specifically, what she wants to hear from Kelly Kumalo, and she says because she was very close and had relations with her brother, then, they're expecting a lot from her. They're expecting to hear what exactly happened to her. But of course, this matter having to be postponed really also dampens their mood, dampens the mood of their mother, who's waiting in KZN to hear how the proceedings are unfolding. She also had an opportunity to speak about Senzo's daughter, who is also Kelly Kumalo's daughter, saying that they remain open as a family to welcoming that daughter. If she brings her home, then they will gladly accept her. So today then she goes back. She couldn't join us on this live to talk more about those issues, because she says she has a doctor's appointment that she has to rush to, but hoping that tomorrow she will be back and come and testify.
Linda Mnisi, thank you very much for that update. So that trial then expected to resume tomorrow.